So I want to talk about something called Immersive Reader. This is built into Office, and each Office application has its own little version of it. And you'll see it sometimes on Microsoft websites, and it's a really useful tool if you or any of your students have got visual impairments, particularly if they've got dyslexia. But it can also be used as a bit of a teaching tool as well. So we're going to have a look at it. I'm going to show you in the online version of Word. You'll see that this will be in some of the apps, it'll be in some of the online versions. It's built within Teams, those sort of things, and sometimes they look and feel a little different, but they've pretty much got the same sort of features. So here's a piece of text from Wikipedia. It's actually the Wikipedia page on Wikipedia, and I've just copied and pasted that into a Word document using Word Online. If I now click on View, you'll see there I've got Immersive Reader. So what it will do is this. We'll open the document in a new page, and you'll see it's in a bigger dyslexic friendly free font. Okay, we can click on the text preferences, and you'll see there I can change the size, increase or decrease the spacing. I've got 3 dyslexic friendly fonts that I can use. You'll also see here I can change different backgrounds. These are very useful. Some people with dyslexia need a coloured overlay so they can actually see the text, so this is the coloured overlay. Also have the options if we click on the reading preferences. You can see the line focus there, so we can go to a single line or multiple line or back to how it was. The picture dictionary is a relatively new feature. You'll notice that if I click on volunteers, for instance, it will give us a little friendly image of volunteers. I can click on the speaker and it will say it.
Volunteers.
We can also do translations. So you'll see if I click on document there, it's now translated the document into Albanian for me. And there's the new Reading Coach feature. Reading Coach deserves its own video, which will be done at some point. As you can see, it now becomes a microphone, so you could put this in front of some of the students, click on the start reading, and it actually judges how well they read the piece. But like I say, that's quite a new feature, and it is deserving of its own video, Reading Coach. We've also got some grammar options we can use. Now this is where this can be used as a kind of teaching tool. So we can highlight the syllables. Very useful when you're teaching poetry. And we can go in and we can highlight the nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, as you can see. So while Immersive Reader is a great little resource for, like I say, anyone with visual impairments or dyslexia, you can also use it as a teaching tool as well. And of course we can go back, click the play button.
Wikipedia is a free content
and it will read the piece for us. We've also got the different settings, so you can pick a male or a female voice and how quickly or slowly it reads the document for you. Once we're done with Immersive Reader and we want to go back to where we were, just click the back button and we go back. So that's available anywhere where you see Immersive Reader within any Office application or Office Online application. And like I say, not just great for people with visual impairments or dyslexia, but you can use it as a teaching tool as well.